Packed with features, this handy Festool OF 1400 70mm plunge router makes light work of a range of routing tasks. Perfect for rounding, rebanding and profiling edges, you can also use this unit for routing circles and cutouts with templates. Get faultless precision with the OF 1400 as it clamps down on both guide columns, meaning you get a secure router with absolute torsional rigidity. You won't ever have to waste time reworking your material with its no-load speed ranging from 10,000 to 22,500 RPM. Because of the long 70mm routing stroke, you have the flexibility to work with larger routing depths and templates, making this unit even more versatile. The unit features a precise depth adjuster, which just takes seconds and minimal effort to finally adjust the routing depth accurately to 1/10 of a millimeter. Using MMC electronics, the unit will adjust its constant speed and monitor temperatures, ensuring longevity and reliability no matter what material. With an unobstructed view of your workpiece, the unit has an integrated extractor connector that will provide 99% dust extraction when partnered with one of Festool's incredible dust extractor units. The OF 1400 is super easy to use with well thought out button placement for speedy adjustments and operation. It's also lightweight, and with the ergonomic rod handle, the unit fits safely and securely in your hand at all times. Both guide rods are fixed in place at the same time via a single rotary knob. The side fence can be attached and detached in an instant, saving time on the job. Replace your cutters in seconds using the convenient spindle stop with rocker and ratchet principle, which allows you to change the router without removing the key. On top of this, you can also change the copying ring without the use of tools. One click of the release ring and you can replace it extremely easily. The Festool OF 1400 70mm plunge router boasts Festool's known premium quality, reliability and safety, putting the user first. You can grab one of these for yourself at your nearest trade tools store or online at tradetools.com.